What causes latency in satellite internet? Have you ever wondered why satellite internet seems slower than other types of internet? The answer lies in latency, which is the delay between sending and receiving data. In satellite internet, this delay is mainly due to the long distance that data must travel. Most satellite internet systems use geostationary satellites that orbit about 35,786 kilometers above the Earth. This means that signals have to travel this great distance twice, once from your device to the satellite and then back down to the ground station. This round-trip time typically results in latency of 500 to 700 milliseconds or more. To put that in perspective, terrestrial internet connections usually have latency under 50 milliseconds. So, what exactly causes this delay? First, the orbital distance plays a significant role. At the altitude of geostationary satellites, signals take about a quarter of a second to travel one way. When you double that for the round trip, you can see how the distance adds up. Next, we have signal processing. Both the satellite and the ground stations need to process data packets. Each of these steps adds a small delay, but together they can accumulate to a noticeable lag. Another factor is the network protocols used in internet communication. For instance, the Transmission Control Protocol was designed for low-latency networks. When used over high-latency links, it can cause additional delays due to retransmissions and acknowledgements. Weather conditions also play a part. Rain, storms, or even heavy cloud cover can degrade signal quality. When that happens, the system may need to retransmit data, which can further increase latency. Lastly, network congestion can cause delays. During peak usage times, or when bandwidth is limited, data packets may have to wait in a queue before being transmitted. Fortunately, advancements in satellite internet technology are working to reduce latency. New satellites are being deployed in lower Earth orbits, which are only a few hundred to a couple thousand kilometers above the Earth. This reduces the signal travel distance significantly, bringing latency closer to what you would expect from traditional broadband connections. Additionally, technologies like transmission control protocol acceleration and optimized communication protocols are being developed to improve data handling efficiency. From a space technology perspective, understanding satellite constellations and orbital dynamics is essential for minimizing latency. Low Earth orbit constellations requiring careful coordination to maintain continuous coverage, but they offer significant improvements over traditional geostationary satellites. This makes satellite internet more suitable for applications that need real-time interaction, such as video conferencing and online gaming. While satellite internet latency is still higher than cable or fiber connections due to these physical and technical factors, ongoing innovations in satellite placement and network design are steadily closing the gap.